Hi, my name's Steve Reeves from Raywhite and Drysdale. Welcome to another virtual tour. We're in St Leonards today. We're on a beautiful little townhouse sitting on about 365 square metres. It's 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, massive living area, fantastic spot. 10 minutes from Drysdale, Aldi and Coles. You've got the front beach at St Leonards, which is absolutely immaculate, pristine condition. Everyone loves to come down here for holidays, so make this party a paradise. Come down and have a look. If you want to come for a private inspection, call Steve 040 32 888 Thank you. Here we have the front main bedroom. Brilliant sunlight coming through. Third bedroom, neat as a pin, large, double walk-in robe. Fantastic glass door, walk-in shower with fantastic tiles. Very neat and tidy laundry, large tub, it's got a toilet and hand basin. Kitchen, dining, plenty of space, very bright. Large island bench for all the cooks in the house, large walk-in pantry, gas cooktop, range hood, electric oven. You've got quite a spacious lounge room there where you can sit down and relax, or come over to the dining table. You can have all your friends around and still have plenty of space. If you start to spill over, too many people, just go outside into the alfresco area, all undercover. Nice little manicured back garden, great space to be in. Hi, thank you very much for coming through the virtual tour of 18B Edwards Point Road, St Leonards. If you would like a private inspection of this property, please call Steve on 040 32 888 Thank you.